Hi, I'm Dana Paglia-King, Director of Policy and Advocacy for NASW Michigan. We support Teresa's Law because it provides vital training for caregivers and also accountability and transparency for vulnerable adults and their families. As social workers in particular, we have rigorous training and continuing education that we're expected to follow. And I think in any profession where you're working one-on-one with our aging population, it's even more important to ensure that there is education, especially continuing education, as again, standards are going to change and the needs of the population are always going to change. So I think it's crucial. And I can't believe Michigan is behind the times. It's startling. I would say to our legislators that right now, what's the most important thing we can do for folks is creating policy that just makes sense. What is good policy? And good policy is created by people who have firsthand experience with what we are facing today. And we have folks who are either caregivers or they trusted their loved ones with caregivers and something tragic has happened. And now we have learned that through this lived experience with folks, we have learned that Michigan is way behind our other states, our neighboring states across the country, really, that we are so far behind the bar here. And at the very least, Teresa's Law is just a step in the right direction. Our aging population, they're growing, and it is up to our legislators to protect them. And again, Teresa's Law just seems like a very common sense way to do that. And it also protects our caregivers as well by giving them that training.